In this video, we will show you how to connect AliExpress to Shopify on iPhone. If you guys want to get started with Shopify, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Shopify app on your phone. Make sure to log in to your account. Now, tap the profile icon in the top left corner to open the side menu. Here, go to the setting option at the bottom. In the settings, scroll down to find and tap Apps and Sales channel. You'll see the installed apps in this section. If you can't find the app related to AliExpress, so tap on the add icon at the top. You'll be directed to the Shopify App Store. Then, tap on the search icon and type AliExpress. There are various results. Now, select the desired app. After that, tap the install button to get this app. Once installed, open it and log in to your AliExpress account to connect it. So that's how to connect AliExpress to Shopify on iPhone. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.